Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Glide data tables and schemas frequently detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Glide account. Navigate to the project you wish to backup. Locate the Data tab on the left side of your screen. Click on the Data tab to access your Glide data tables. Identify the table you want to backup first. Select the table by clicking on its name. Once the table is open, look for the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the table's configuration options. In the Settings menu, find the Export option. Click on Export to download the table data in CSV format. Repeat this process for any additional tables you need to backup. Now, let's backup your schema. Return to the Main Data tab. Look for the option labeled Schema at the top of the data interface. Click on Schema to view your data structure. Locate the Export Schema option within the Schema view. Click on Export Schema to download the schema as a JSON file. Store your CSV files and JSON schema files in a secure location. Consider organizing backups into folders by date for easy reference. Set a reminder to perform these backups regularly. Automate the backup process if Glide provides API access. Verify your backup files by opening them to ensure the data is intact. Revisit the backup frequency based on your project needs. Document the backup process for team members or future reference. Stay updated with any changes in Glide that may affect the backup process. Regularly review your backup strategy to ensure it meets your requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.